you show me? Can you open it? Show me what's inside. The other one is for Amara. This one is for Adam. Since Amara is too young to do it, she needs help. So Mama will help her. I'll help her, okay?
I'll help you also with this. And this color, there's more ones to color this with the hard one.
Okay. So can you tell us what's inside the kit? What's that? Okay. That one is it's a Lego figure. And then what's next? Lego bricks, Lego blocks, and then that one is a
planet.
What planet is that? What do you think?
Saturn.
How do you know it's Saturn?
Saturn has rings.
Okay. The unicorn kit. So, 1 unicorn.
2 unicorn. 3. At the biggest unicorn.
3 unicorn. And the last one, the biggest one. Yeah. Yes, she's excited. Are you excited to paint? Yes, paint. Okay, Manong, your turn. Open na. Open the paint. Someone is happy. It's her first time to paint. Yay! Are you happy, Amara? De, what's that? What color is that? Green? Say green. Green. Good girl. Yay! Don't eat it, okay? Yay! Only on the paper.
Yeah, look at Amara's eye.
Oh no! How about Manong? How are you with your rocket ship? Wow! It's a green, red, and blue rocket ship. And the Lego blocks, the bricks.
And this one will be next time.
Okay. It's almost lunchtime.
Look at this.
Yeah, this one, no? This one naman kay Amara. Mama and Amara's painting. Yay!
Look at this.
Yes! Wow! Uy, madumi yung hands mo.